Welcome everybody to another video lesson. This is Argenis with Ambition Digital Social Media Consultants. And in today's video lesson, we're going to be going over what is a Facebook pixel. All right, guys. So a Facebook pixel. So essentially a Facebook pixel is a piece of code that you guys input into whatever software you're using, whether it's a website, a CRM, or you have a sales funnel, and this code is going to be feeding back Facebook on anything and everything that anybody's doing on your website. So if somebody clicks the shop now button on your website and you saw something, it's going to let Facebook know that data, like somebody clicked so and so button. Maybe if you have a video describing a product or service and somebody sees about 75% of that video and then they just leave, it's going to leave Facebook that data. This many people saw 75% of your video, so on and so forth. So then you can use that data that's fed back to Facebook and use that to retarget those people that didn't finish watching the video. So anything and everything is tracked with the Facebook pixel, which is a code. All right, guys. So you can create a Facebook pixel if you have a Facebook Business Manager account for your business. And essentially it lets you track website activities, improve your return on advertising, and it's going to allow you to reach new and existing customers. All right. Facebook pixel. All right, guys. So to find your pixel, in one of our other videos where we show you how to create your Facebook business fan page, you're going to go into the tab on the top of your business manager, click measure and report. You're going to go down and find pixels. All right, you're going to find this pixels. Up on the tab, it's going to say measure and report. You're going to find pixels. All right, and it's going to lead you in the end to something like this. All right, so it's going to show you, start new pixel, create new pixel, and you're going to start one for your business page. Okay, it's going to then pop up something like this, and you guys just follow the steps step by step. It tells you how to do it. Okay, as you can see above, the pixel is a snippet of JavaScript code that is added to the header section of your website. Okay, the pixel has two parts, the base code and the event code. All right, guys, so you're gonna grab this code here, you're gonna copy it, and you're gonna input it somewhere in the header of your website, your sales funnel, or whatever you guys are using, online. Everything should have somewhere in the back end, your settings, or when you're creating your website, it should have a place where you can input this, all right, in your header. And then the event code is other little codes, just like I told you. Say if somebody watches this video on your site, you're gonna have its own code for that. That's an event. Somebody watched the video, that's an event. Somebody clicked this button on your sales page, that's an event. So whatever event you guys want to track, you find that event code and you also input it into this main code here on the header of your website when you're creating it. Okay, so essentially it's easy to install your pixel, and it's just a copy and paste, guys. All right, and this is very, very essential for your business if you want to actually see what's going on in your guys' sites or sales funnels. Most of the time business owners don't really know if people are going to their site. Maybe they added something to the cart and just left. Maybe the price was too high, just the way the layout of the website was. Any and all possibilities are limitless with this, guys. Okay, so this is going to let you know what's going on in depth, behind the scenes, what a customer is doing when they're on your site, your page, or whatever. So you're gonna then want to use all this data that you can actually see in your Facebook Analytics screen. Okay, again, that's in the Facebook Business Manager profile for your business. In the Analytics section, you're going to see all the data that the pixel has fed Facebook from your site. It's going to allow you to then retarget people and better create content, or again, retarget for all your marketing needs. All right, so it's essential that you guys learn how to use the Pixel. So if you'd like for a more in-depth step-by-step on how to create the Pixel and apply it to a site that we're going to use as an example, and then run a quick event and show you just how it tracks back to Facebook, there's a link above so you guys can have access to Ambition's exclusive training where we go more in depth on each and every one of these videos. All right, guys? See you on the next video.